How to use Spotify on offline mode. So hello guys, how are you all? Welcome back to the channel again. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily use Spotify without having an internet connection. So this is quite difficult and easy too, so I'm showing you in this video any way possible to do this thing. Now the first thing you have to check is if there's any feature available on the Spotify application regarding this. So open it on your device here, and then you have to simply choose the song which you want to play. Like, I will select this song and I will play it on my screen. Now there's a lot of option, there is a lot of song here. I will click on these three dots on the top of the song here, and then here you can see there is a lot of option called go to artist, share, go to radio song, view song credit, Spotify code, and add to playlist. Now there is no way you can simply do this thing that you can play it, but instead you can do one thing is you have to go on a playlist and then click on three dots on the playlist here, then click on download. This third option, download, is only available on the Spotify Premium. So first you have to simply subscribe for the premium plan and then download song. And after that, you can listen the song without any internet connection. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.